Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate with dark compound. First, gather your dark compound chocolate, a heat-proof bowl, and a saucepan for a double boiler. You'll also need any desired additions like nuts or flavorings. This method is perfect for beginners and ensures a smooth, delicious result every time. We'll cover melting, mixing, and setting your chocolate for perfect homemade treats. To begin, chop your dark compound chocolate into small, uniform pieces. This helps it melt evenly and prevents scorching. Place the chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with simmering water, creating a double boiler. Stir gently until the chocolate is completely smooth and melted, ensuring no lumps remain. Avoid direct heat to maintain its quality. Once your chocolate is melted, it's time to customize. You can stir in a small amount of vanilla extract for a richer aroma. For added texture, incorporate chopped nuts, dried fruits, or even puffed rice cereal. A tiny pinch of sea salt can also surprisingly enhance the chocolate's depth. Mix these additions thoroughly but gently to distribute them evenly throughout. Now, pour your flavored chocolate into silicone molds or spread it thinly onto parchment paper. Tap the molds gently to release any air bubbles. Place the chocolate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until it's completely firm and easily releases from the molds. Once set, store your delicious homemade dark compound chocolate in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.